Welcome to my channel Tech Truth Reviews. How to see what devices are paired to your TCL Roku TV. Are you trying to check which phones, tablets, remotes, Bluetooth devices, or smart home accessories are currently paired with your TCL Roku TV? Whether you're troubleshooting connection issues, removing old devices, or making sure no unknown device is connected, this guide covers everything you need to know. Here are the 10 most important steps to easily view and manage paired devices on any TCL Roku TV. 1. Go to the Roku home screen. Start by grabbing your Roku remote and pressing the home button. This takes you to the main dashboard, where all menus and settings begin. If your TCL Roku TV is acting slow or lagging, wait a moment for the system to load properly. Having a clean home screen ensures you'll access the settings without your TV freezing or glitching. 2. Open the settings menu using the remote, scroll down and highlight settings on the left side. Press OK to enter. This is where all pairing, network, Bluetooth, and device control options live. Think of this menu as the control center of your TCL Roku TV. 3. Navigate to Remotes and AMP Devices from the Settings menu, scroll down and select Remotes and AMP Devices. This section shows a complete list of accessories paired to your TV, including mobile apps, wireless remotes, Bluetooth headphones, and game controllers. If you suspect multiple devices might be connected, this is the menu that reveals everything. 4. Check remotes for all paired Roku remotes. Inside the Remotes and AMP Devices menu, choose Remotes. Here you will see all the Roku remotes currently linked to your TCL Roku TV. Voice remote, enhanced remote, simple remote. Old remotes that may still be saved, you can always unpair it later for security. 5. View accessories for Bluetooth devices. Next, go back one step and choose Accessories. This is where Roku shows any Bluetooth devices that may be paired with your TV, including Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers, soundbars, wireless controllers, smartphones paired via Bluetooth. If you recently connected headphones, this is where you'll see them listed. If you find unfamiliar accessories, it might be time to remove or unpair them. 6. Check wireless devices for game controllers. Some TCL Roku TVs support wireless controllers, including third-party Bluetooth gaming controllers. If you see the option named Wireless Devices, select it. This menu displays connected controllers or wireless input devices. If you see an old or unused controller listed, it could be causing lag or connection interference. 7. Review mobile apps connected to your TV. Roku allows phones and tablets to connect using the official Roku mobile app. To check these connections, go to Settings, select System, choose Advanced System Settings, open Control by Mobile Apps. If you set this to permissive, any device on the same Wi-Fi network can control your TV. Changing it to default or disabled increases privacy. This section doesn't show exact device names but helps you manage who can access your TV. 8. Check connected devices through HDMI inputs. Sometimes, devices connected physically through HDMI are also recognized as paired accessories. To check, go to the home screen, scroll to each HDMI input, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, etc. Look for labels like PlayStation, Chromecast, soundbar, or cable box. This helps confirm what's actually plugged into your TV at the moment. 9. Unpair or forget any unwanted devices. If you see a device that shouldn't be there, removing it is easy. Highlight the device, press OK, select Unpair or Forget Device. This is especially useful if you bought a second-hand TCL Roku TV or shared your TV with guests who paired their phones or headphones. 10. Restart your TCL Roku TV to refresh pairings. After checking and removing devices, it's a good idea to restart the TV so it can refresh connections. To restart, go to Settings, select System, choose Power, select System, Restart. This ensures your TV clears any temporary connection glitches and loads the latest paired device list correctly. If you found this step-by-step guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips, fixes, and hidden features for TCL Roku TVs and smart home devices.